In this video, we're going to take a look at using VividAir Navigator to operate the 3 fans we set up in the setup video. So we're back here at the home screen. We hit home. To get access, we have to enter the password, 439. And now you can see we're set up. We have our Dock 6 fan, we have our production fan by the press brake, and we have our north warehouse fan. You can see this fan is not turning, so that here's the speed, 0.0. There's also no direction. That just tells us that none of these fans are actually operating. So if you remember, we set these fans up for low speed, medium speed, and high speed. Now they're all different because they do different applications, but they have low, medium, and high pre-programmed. So what we can do right here from the home screen, if we just want to turn all fans on to the last speed they were running, we could hit all on. However, we want these fans to go to low speed, so we just got to hit all low. So we hit the button. You notice the button turns red. The Dock 6 fan turned on, so you can see we're going 15 hertz. We are running forward, and you can see the green light came on, indicating that the fan is running. That, I'll just hit all off here quickly. That button will go black, indicating the fans are in standby. So let's go back to all low. You can see there that fan fired up. Our production fan over the press brake went to 30 hertz because that's its low setting. And our warehouse fan went to 25 hertz in the forward direction because that's its low setting. Now, direction is not presettable. That you'd have to change in the fan. We'll show you how to do that. But the speed is. So if I wanted to go to all medium, see it changes. Our warehouse fan ramps up to 40 hertz. Our production fan goes up to 45. And our dock fan goes to 16. Now, if you wanted to manually change one of those fans, like let's say you need to slow the production fan down just a little bit, all you'd have to do is tap on the icon. You can see here our frequency is going 45 hertz. We just tap that. This screen comes up. Let's say we want to slow that down to 43. So we do that, 43 hertz. Here you can see the speed, 43 hertz. And the direction is forward. If we wanted to change the direction, come over here to direction, click that drop down, hit reverse. The fan will automatically, you can see the fan is starting to slow down, and then it will speed back up in reverse and go to the last speed set. So if we went back out to, you can see our press brake fan is going 43 hertz in reverse. Our warehouse fan is still going 40 hertz in forward, and our dock fan is going 16 hertz in forward. Now it'll keep the reverse, so if we all of a sudden went to go, say we wanted all the fans to go full speed, so we ramp up to all high, we're still in reverse here on the press brake, but the warehouse fan went to forward, and the dock fan went up to 17, also in forward. So it's a very flexible system. Now, if you wanted to return everything, you can do, or if you wanted to stop them, you can just hit all off, and all the fans will come to a stop. See, once they get down to 0, it will go back to black. And if we want to turn this fan back around, we just hit forward. Now, let's say, let's turn them all back on again. We just wanted to bump, if you want to make big changes to speed, you can certainly do it right here. If you just wanted to change it a little bit, like somebody said, you know, just, hey, some papers are blowing around, you just turn it down a little bit. You can use this plus or minus. You can see if I hit the minus, we drop to 29 hertz. Essentially, it's plus or minus 1 hertz. So you can use this for small. This is like your fine adjustment. And then for your large adjustment, you're better off just typing. And if we wanted them to go back, say we want them to go all low, we can put them on all low. The press brake will go to its low speed, dock fan to its low speed, warehouse to its slow speed. That's some basic operation of controlling fans with VividAir. The all commands are for every fan connected, and if you want to adjust a single fan, just click the fan icon, and you have all kinds of properties in here.